Okay, as you can see, I have these Ugg slippers, which I absolutely love. I've had them for about 10 years, and the insoles are pretty bad. So I've ordered new ones off of good old Amazon. So let me get these open and see how they fit. Okay, here they are. They're not the exact ones that were in the slipper, but these look like ones that kind of go more into Ugg boots, but let's see if they fit inside my slippers. All right, so there they are. They're in. It is a snug fit. In my opinion, they might be too big. You can see they're filthy. I also need to get some Ugg cleaner as well. They seem to be a little too big, but they do fit snugly. Let's see how they fit on my feet. Fantastic. They feel brand new. Oh, yeah, look at those high socks there. That's sexy. So these slippers, I think, are around 110 bucks new. And all I did was spend $18, I think, on new insoles. And they're like brand new. Yay!